And I'd like to welcome Tom Nash with me right now from the Video Club. Welcome, Tom. Good to have you on today.
Good to be here.
And you want to tell us about this upcoming show called Welcome to My House. Now, we're going to be showing this 4 dates coming up over the next week and a half or so, and then we'll probably show it a couple times in December as well.
Well, this is a new series that we'll be doing month to month, and the thrust of the thing is that we are taking a crew and going to somebody's house, somebody who immigrated to the U.S. from some other country, and they're going to talk about their history, where they came from. They're going to talk about some of the traditions that they observe, and they're going to talk about some of their favorite food and show us a little bit about the preparation of that food.
Now,
so
food that from their country, or food that they like here, that they discovered here?
Food that's a tradition in the country they come from.
Very good.
Yeah.
And this is, of course, Susmita, who I know very well.
Do you?
Oh, yeah. She comes on
and
often.
She's the president of the India Club.
She's great.
And and so we're doing the program. Actually, it's going to be on the air for the first time on Thanksgiving Day, this Thursday. And so we went to her house. We filmed her. She cooked some very interesting food, and the crew actually got to eat it.
Ah, there you go. There's a benefit there.
Yeah, right.
Well, very good. And I think this is a great series. So you're going to be doing this once a month in addition to your regular show?
That's right.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a new series. So we have some already in process. One that's already taped is, or as we say tape, but we don't really tape anymore. But we're doing one on Australia, one on Germany, one on China.
Wow.
And we have some others in the works. So
that'll be a lot of fun.
So that will be fun.
What interests me the most, of course, is the food aspect of that.
Yeah.
So that'll be a lot of fun.
And for example, for Australia, we have a high tea.
Ah.
So.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a little bit we're going to show. Let's watch this.
Saris, they are made of cotton. Okay. Not silk.
All right. Okay, great. Well, so we sort of got off the track a little bit, but I thought it was important to talk about your beautiful shari first.
Thank you.
Cannot be ignored or missed.
No.
So let's go back and talk about education in India. So at what age do you start school?
My case was a little different than many people. Normally people go from, there was no such thing like kindergarten, okay? Class 1 is the very beginning, and before class 1 there was a stage when children go to school called nursery, and there was no such thing like kindergarten 1, kindergarten 2, or any such thing. I did not go that way because my father used to have my father was government employee, and he had to go to different places, like to stay in a different city, not always in our hometown.
Well, we saw a bit there with, of course, Susmita. Who's the host here?
I was afraid you were going to ask me that. I should have put it on my paper because I can say it, but I can't quite.
Okay. And
we are doing a comedy right now called Write It Down, and I should have written it down.
Well, I invite you folks to tune in for this. As I said, we're going to show it over the next week and a half or so on the 22nd, 25th, 27th, and 30th at various times, as you can see on the screen here. And then we'll be showing it as well in December.
Right. And the December version is a woman from Sweden. And we're going to be talking about the Swedish Christmas traditions, Saint Lucia. And,
that'll be really neat.
Candles in the hair and all that, you know.
Yeah.
I don't think they use candles anymore.
No, they probably don't. It's probably LEDs, right?
They don't burn the house down.
Well, I think that is fantastic that you guys are doing this.
Yeah,
what a great
series. We're having
series.
a lot of fun doing it.
I look forward to watching them.
Thank you.
All right. And, of course, we have their normal show on, meaning their Laguna Woods stories. And then I know coming up in January, there's going to be another presentation that we're going to be doing as well that we're going to show.
Right.
So always good to have you on.
We're having a lot of fun at the Video Club, so if any of your viewers are interested in getting involved in the production side of television, come visit us.
Yeah, over there, it's right next to Clubhouse 2, and the Video Club Lab is over there, and you're always welcome to find out more about it and get involved.
Right.
Very good. And nowadays, it's so easy.
It is.
Yeah, not a big investment anymore.
No, the equipment is relatively inexpensive and very, very good.
Yeah.
For a couple $100, you can get a camera much better than a $100,000 camera a few years ago.
Yeah, yeah. Incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Good to see you, Tom, as always. You take care. We'll be right back.